This is what I'm working on today. 2002 Bug-Eye. Just doing an MOT repair. Front CV boot in a offside. There she goes. Bit of a squeeze, pushes in. Grease, the boot, clamps. That's the old boot. I could actually smell the grease burning off the exhaust when I was driving. That's it. You've got to fill that cup up with the grease that's supplied with the kit. I'm going to give all this area a clean as well. Grease absolutely everywhere. Just looked at the new grease and it's a completely different colour. I'm a bit worried that this is brown because water has got in there. Filled the cup up full of grease. I've got the new boot on, got the clips loosely on. Well, it's not actually on the cup, but now I've got to put that back on, then the clip, push the drive shaft on, and then put this clip on, reassemble the boot, and then we're done. So that's the new one on. I ended up taking it back off again because they actually gave me the wrong one. So I took it back and got this one. I ended up using the new clips because the old clips were a little bit baggy on it. I don't know if it's just through use. Try and get a better view. I mean, that's on now, so I'll get it back together. Where the strut bolts up, there's a little mark to line the bolt up with. The bolt is like out of round, I don't know what you call it, so if you turn it, it alters how the hub sits. So that's it, job done. It took me, I don't know, about an hour and a half. For the kit, about £7.50. I think at a garage, I mean, they charge about £50 an hour at most garages. And what I try and do is, with the money I've saved, I try and buy more tools. Don't always work out, don't always have enough money, but I like to think of it like that, to the money I've sort of saved to build my tool collection up. And over the years, that method has done me alright, really. But yeah, that's it.